Awesome, awesome, man, awesome. I actually feel like running my first ad right now. Um, okay, and how user friendly is it?
Okay, this is where we have to give Google Ads like 1 out of 5 stars. It is not user friendly. It is not very
That's why we
friendly
have
for the
you,
beginner.
right?
Exactly. In fact, I would make no money if Google Ads was user friendly. So the very reason why a lot of people don't learn the system is because there is a lot to learn and it can be extremely intimidating. But it's just like everything in life, whereby the biggest opportunities are always behind the biggest obstacles. So the people who are willing to learn all of the difficult stuff, those are the people who get to reap the rewards. And I don't want to make it sound like there's no way that you could figure out Google Ads.
Mm,
If you really worked hard, you could figure it out in about 4 weeks. If
mm.
you really educated yourself and you watched a lot of YouTube
Wow,
videos, you could do it in about 4 weeks.
wow, wow. That definitely beats a whole marketing course over the course of a few years.
Yeah.
Huh? No, that's awesome.
Yeah.
If you guys are looking for any corporate branding such as logos, business cards, and more, please contact us on our website www.ashsodesigns.co.za. If you would like to check out some of our work, don't be afraid to visit our Instagram page or our Facebook page.